Today is a significant occasion in the life of the Young Endeavour Youth Scheme. In lieu of being with you in Port Macquarie, it's important to me that I send you this message. Congratulations to all involved in the formal Keel Laying Ceremony to mark construction of STS Young Endeavour 2, particularly the construction team. You have it all ahead of you, but I know that you will do an outstanding job. The new, larger, state-of-the-art replacement sail training vessel will provide even more opportunities for young people, and that's really very exciting. In looking ahead, it also timed me to reflect on how far the scheme has come, particularly in its 35th year of operation. Happy anniversary to all involved in the Young Endeavour Youth Scheme. It's been 35 years of outstanding achievement. More than 600 youth development voyages, almost 30,000 voyage and day sail participants, thousands of young Australian lives changed for the better. The learning and experiences have helped young people realise their own capability, what's possible, and the leadership role that they can play in our community. The new ship will both expand and bolster that impact. To all involved in the scheme, thank you for your contribution for the last 35 years of life-changing youth development voyages. May the Young Endeavour journey continue for many years to come.